Hello everyone, Siyabonga Forex Lover again. I know it's been a while since I haven't recorded, but trust me, I'm not going anywhere. Just bear with me, and thanks to everyone who subscribed to my YouTube channel. Please keep sharing my link. I'm here to share the good news. So there's this amazing opportunity by Just Forex. If you don't know what Just Forex is, it's a trading brokerage. By now, you should know what is a trading brokerage. They are one of the regulated brokers around the world, and they deliver excellent service. They have a trading contest which has already started, and I'm pretty sure some of you are aware of it. Please do not hesitate to join the competition as soon as you can. Show your trading skills and win amazing prizes. So I know you might be thinking, what do I mean by amazing prizes? For the first prize, you win 500 US dollar. And for the second place, you win 250 US dollars. And for the third place, you can win yourself 100 US dollars if you do beat other traders from this competition. Should you be interested, click on the link on my description and you will be directed to website and register. Wishing you all the best luck. See you soon.